Hey guys, Steven here, and I'm going to be doing an episode of Blocks. So let's play the official Blocks. I have that in there already. So basically, I haven't just done one of these videos in a while, and I wanted to do one with you guys. So here we are in our creative plot. Server IP will be down in the description below. And yeah, so basically what's been going on is I have made the glowstone hang up the tree, my dinosaur guy bigger with his bigger tail, bigger body, bigger legs. And if you go inside, boom, it's a lounge. You can play all the music discs. So here we go. Music. Can't hear blocks. Huh, weird. Anyway, alright, so what strikes. Alright. So today I'm going to be building I built this off camera. It's a storage facility so I can store my stuff. But I don't have much stuff yet, so I have this enchantment table so I can enchant stuff. Right here. Get that redstone block instead of a little lava. I didn't know that you could hit that far. Whoa, that's pretty far. So anyway, yeah, I'll just blew it out in the water. Yes, good night. Nice job, Sponge. Alright. So I'm going to be building a farm. Yeah. So let's get to it. Grab a hoe and build this. So we're gonna need dirt and it's gonna be a big farm. Yeah, so we can store our food in the storage facility. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, so before this all unhose itself, we're gonna need to make these bigger because I don't like how short they are. So yeah, I'll place those right there so we can do stuff on those. Yeah, let's build some more. Oh, I got a perfect idea. This is gonna be my farm, official farm. Get some water buckets. Have you ever have a farm that doesn't have an infinite water source like this? I can't take those farms. I always need to have unlimited water sources with me. Yeah. So if you guys hear that song in the background, it's my sister. She's just doing stuff on the Big Mac. Yes, it is called the Big Mac. I call it the Big Mac. Alright, so let's see. It's time to get a block there for place. There's a Minecraft parody for that song. If you haven't seen it, go search it up. It's called Mushroom Stew. Let's put some lapis. The useless block is actually being used. Whoa, that's so amazing. Oh man, it's actually being used? No way. For my farm. We're going to be using lapis blocks. Lapis lazuli. Let's place some stairs. Oh boy. No. I feel like 22. You guys, okay, so go search Mushroom Stew right now. Because that song, it sounds so similar. It's crazy. Alright. So, what do you guys want to talk about? How's your day been going? Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna get a piece of dirt. We're gonna need another hoe. Mushrooms. Well, I know how to build professional farms, so we're fine. So let me get some slabs. Get spruce wood. Spruce wood's good. So this is what we're gonna be building for today. We're gonna be building this farm. Yeah. So we're just keep building, just keep building, just keep building, building. What do? We build. We build what? Build a farm. Alright, so this is how it looks. Finished product. We build a scarecrow so that no mobs, just to warn off all mobs. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. We get a pumpkin. Can't place pumpkins on top of fences. You should. You place pumpkins at all? Yeah. I didn't know that. I need to know my updates. Alright, let me get some. Then I'll just have to make it like an original. Boom, boom. That's a good scarecrow. So warn away all the evil. Yeah. Oh boy, this is gonna be a boring episode. Cause I haven't done anything. This is like, oh my god, it's gonna be a boring episode, guys. I just plant this wheat. Alright. Ooh, hey, ooh, ha. Scarecrow, will you defend my crops? No. Oh. Why not? Very much to live for. Not defending your crops. But what about it's on peaceful? That's sad. Thanks. And I realized something. It can't be like that, you guys. Boo. Okay, so. Oh god. Why do I always destroy the dirt? Now I gotta get another hoe. Diamond hoe, boy. I do that. I made a diamond hoe. Boo. Yeah, it works. Everything works perfectly. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this episode off here. And so make sure you comment, like, favorite, subscribe, join the game. I changed my skin to a Pikachu skin. But I am Steven, and I'll see you later. Peace.